All right, guys. So, hello. Now, the first example I'm seeing from your textbook says that if we are given x squared equals to 8y, and we have to find the focus and what? Directrix of this parabola. By now we know what is focus, right? And we know what is called what? Directrix. Is it not so? Now listen, solution to this is that, looking at this parabola, please, I'm teaching. Pay attention now. When you look at the parabola, you can tell the nature of the parabola, right? That it is enclosing what axis? The y-axis. The positive what? Y-axis. And this parabola has its vertex at where? At the origin. Is it not? This is at the origin now. There's no deviation in x and what? And y. Is it not so? So that means that the first thing you need to do first is to bring out what? The vertex. What's the vertex? H, k, right? Which is what? 0, what? 0. This is the first thing. Then recall the standard form of a parabola at the origin is what? Or just say recall. It must not write on this grammar, okay? Recall that what? That x squared is equal to what? Plus or minus what? 4py. Is it not? But I will use plus 4py. Plus what? 4py. Even if this value here is minus, I also use what? Plus 4py. Are you following? All the time, always use what? 4py. So x squared equals 4py. When you compare this with the given equation, when you comparing both equations, Abi, it means what? 4p is equals to what? 8. Right? That means our p becomes what? 8 over 4. What's that p? 2. Are you following? We have to find what first? The focus. This parabola is lying at what axis? But let me show us something. Let's bring out the curve of this parabola. Our p is 2, right? What's the vertex? 0, Abi. From here, it must enclose what? Y-axis. Positive what? Y. This is the graph here, right? You agree with me, right? So from here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the vertex, away is what? P units away, which is what? 2. It means I will count how many times? 1, 2. Here's what? Our P. And this is our focus, Abi. What the focus here is 0, what? 2. Is it making sense? And we said that the vertex is always halfway between the focus and the directrix. So it means I will count 2 downward. What do you have? 1, 2. This is my directrix. So from this graph, our focus is what? 0, 2. What's that directrix? What will it be? X is equals to what? Minus 2. Now let's look at the formula he gave us. Can you go back to your note? For under vertical parabola at the origin, I said that the focus is giving us what? Take from me. 0, what? P, Abi? Which is same as what? 0, what's that P? 2. Is it making sense now? Are you seeing it? Yes. Oh God, thank you. Thank you. You see? Okay, why can't there? It's not y. So the direction should be what? Y equals what? Minus 2. Not s equals minus 2. Thank you. Because it's cutting the y-axis. So what's the formula I gave for directrix? Directrix is what? Y equals to what? Minus PRB. So y equals to what? Minus what's that P? 2. Is it making sense now? So which one do you prefer? Is it the graph or the formula? The formula. Both of them are big. But if you're using the formula, don't make mistake. Yes. Yes.
So y is equal to
Minus, yes.
And in the formula, we have y is equal to minus p.
A minus p.
Not minus p.
No, now, your p value here is positive. Are you aware? Your p is positive too. Because it's enclosing positive y. Huh? And I say something, I say, if the parabola is enclosing either positive y or negative what? Y. What's the formula I gave? Y equals to minus p. It's the same thing. For both positive y and what? Negative what? Y. Do you get? Are you still confused? What's the question? Let me get. And I see it now. So what we did here. Formula is what? Y equals minus p. You agree with me? Right? What's the p value? What do you solve as p? Plus now. It's even showing that the parabola is enclosing positive y. That your p is what? Positive 2. Is it clear? So when you put that plus, when you put that plus 2 here now, what's the value? Y equals to what? Minus 2. Is it not? Is it clear now? Are you still confused? It's clear. What if you find your latus rectum? What's the answer? It's 8. From here. What's the 4p here? 8. Latus rectum is what? What's the latus rectum? 4p, Abi? Which is what? 4 times what? 2 equals to what? 8. Are you there? That is 8. Can I clean this page? Example 2. A parabola has its focus at 3,0. A parabola has its focus at 3,0. A parabola has its focus at what? 3, what? 0. Are you there? And directrix. And directrix. And directrix, which is s plus 3 equals to 0. Find the equation of the parabola. Find the equation of the parabola and also find the length of the latus rectum. And also find the length of the latus rectum. Of the latus what? Rectum. Solution to this. We are giving what? Our focus to be what? 3, what? 0. Are you there, somebody? Are you following? They are talking now. What's the directrix? Is s equals to what? Minus 3. Are you aware? Are you aware? If I have s plus 3 equals 0, this means what? S equals what? Minus 3. Right? Look now here, we have focus at 3,0, right? What directrix? S equals to what? Minus 3. Looking at these two statements, what will be the nature of your parabola? Will it be at the x or the y axis? Is x axis. Why? Because the focus is 3,0. Do you get the concept here? That means that the nature of this parabola. Listen. Let's bring out our focus. When s is what? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When is 3? S is 3, right? Y is what? 0. Is it not here? Is here, right? We have our focus here. Are you following? Where is that directrix? S equals to what? Minus 3. I will start from here, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is my directrix. Is it making sense? S equals to what? Minus 3. Then, your vertex is always what? Halfway between what? Your focus and what? Directrix. So that means from here, let's take. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Halfway is what? 3. And 3 is where? Origin. Will the curve enclose this way or this way? Why? Because it must enclose what? The focus. Is it making sense? So that means I must come this way and enclose the curve. I should come again. We are told that our focus is this. Focus is when S is 3, Y is 0, right? It's here. And the value of directrix is what? S equals to what? Minus 3. This is negative X. Minus 1, minus 2, and what? Minus 3. This is where it is, Abi. Then when you count from the focus to your directrix, it's 6 units. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So half of 6 is what? Is 3. Your vertex must be between focus and what? And directrix. Halfway. Which is where? Yeah, right? And your parabola, we always enclose the focus. I can't draw this in this way now. You know why? There's no focus here. I can't take it up. There's no focus here. I can't even go down. There's no focus. The other way is where? This way. Is it not so? So the vertex is where? Is at the origin. Now we now have to find what? The equation of what? The parabola. Can I explain this page? Now listen. What do you think will be your value of P? P is what? 1, 2, 3, Abi. Our P is what? Plus what? 3. Isn't it plus 3? Good. Recall the equation of the parabola when it is enclosing the x-axis will be what? I will square what? X. I will square y rather. And that is what? Y squared equals to what? 4p what? X. Since from here, our p value is what? Is 3, Abi? What will be the equation now? Y squared equals what? 4 times what? 3. X. What's our y squared? 12 what? X. As simple as that. Are you following somebody? What thing are we asked to find? Eh? Latus what? Rectum. I. The latus, Abi? Rectum is what? 4p, Abi? Our LR is absolute value of what? 4p. Which is what? 4 times what's that p? 3. Which is what? 12. Even from here, I can just say it's 12, Abi? That is simple. It's not simple. We are solving your class question. You can see how simple this course can be. Not my parabola. Alright guys, hello. Look at this example. We have to find the equation of what? Parabola. Isn't it? We are given the vertex and the focus. If you look at this now, we have a vertex. This is not at the origin because there's a vertex given. Here we have what here? The focus. Let's try and see if we can construct this first, graphically. Pay attention. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the first thing we have to do is to bring out what? The vertex. Where's our vertex? Minus 2, comma what? 3. S is what? Minus 2. Y is what? So we have 1, 2, 3. I think that should be here, right? Are you there? This is our vertex. Is it making sense? Let's bring out what? The focus. What's our focus? Minus 2, comma what? 4. Okay, S is what? Minus 2, but Y is what? 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This is what? My focus. Are you seeing something now? Where would it enclose? Thank you. About this way, Abi? Is it making sense now? Are you seeing it? Once you have defined your vertex and your focus, you can know how the curve will enclose. Huh? Is it clear? Is it clear? Let me repeat. Listen. Now listen now. The vertex is minus 2, comma what? 3. Meaning when S is what? Minus 2, Abi? Y is what? 3. Where is that 3? Where is that Y 3? 1, 2, 3. Is it on this point? You agree, right? So I have my vertex here. What's our focus? Still minus 2, but what? Y is 4. That means 1 unit above what? Vertex, Abi? Is it not? Is it not? Are you following? No, she. Are you following? You on scarf now. Are you following? So we have what here? Our F. Your parabola will always enclose what? The focus from the vertex. So that means that this will be of this form, Abi? So from here to here, from here to here. So from your vertex, your focus is what? 1. So that means my P is what? Plus 1, Abi? Is it not plus 1? Now how do we get our directrix? I will count 1 unit downward, because from your focus to your vertex is equal to vertex to what? Directrix. Where will it be? Will it be here? No. Will it be here? Yes. So I'll do this. Is it making sense? Are you following? Now, what are we asked to find? Equation of what? Looking at this now from the graph, the parabola is enclosing what? Positive y. I will square what? X. So we have recall that what? S minus h, Abi, all squared equals what? 4p, y minus what? K, Abi? Okay. Here our p is what? 1, right? Is it not 1? Is 1, right? So if p is 1, so let's fix our value. Our vertex is what? Our age here is what? What's our age? Minus 2. What's our k? 3. So that means therefore we have what here? S minus what? Minus 2, Abi? Are you following? All squared equals to what? 4 times what? 1. Y minus what's that k? 3. Here becomes what? What's minus and minus? S plus 2 all squared equals 4 times 1 is 4. Y minus what? 3. This is the equation here. Let me add some other things there. Let's say if we are asked to find, we are done with this, right? If we have to find number 2, equation of the directrix. Of what? Directrix. What will it be? We'll use the graph, also use what? The formula to change. Are you there? From the graph, what's the value? What's the directrix? Is at what? Y equals what? 2, Abi? Is Y equals to what? 2. Formula I gave you is what? Y equals what? Minus P plus what? Plus what? K, Abi? Good. So what do you have here? Y equals what? Minus what's that P? 1 plus what's that K? 3, Abi? Minus 1 plus 3 is what? Is the answer the same? So anyone you want to use, you can still use and get the same answer. Is it making sense now? Okay. What if we are asked to find the equation of the line of symmetry? The equation of the line of symmetry. Let me add it to this question. The equation of the line of what? Symmetry. Equation of line of symmetry. What we say is this line of symmetry? It is a line that divides what? The curve into 2 equal what? Parts. Now, looking at this now. Where is this curve? Split into 2 equal parts. If you look at this where, it's to the vertex, right? At what point? At s equals what? 2. That means that the equation is what? Is x equals to minus 2. Yes, minus 2, thank you. S equals to what? Minus 2. This region is called negative x, Abi. So it is at the point where s is what? Minus 2. Is it clear? Alright. What's the latus rectum? Please add this to it, okay? Number what is this? 2. Number 3. Latus what? Rectum. The formula is what? 4p, Abi. So what do you have there? L, R, is 4 times 1. What do you have? 4, right? Okay. We are given the conics. Given the conics 4s squared minus 4s minus 8y plus 3 equals 0. Find the standard what? Equation of the parabola. Number 2, find the vertex. Let me add some things to it. Number 3, find the focus. Number 4, find the equation of what? Of directrix. Solution. Are you ready? If you are given this is very simple. Let me solve from here. Solution to this. Listen, please. We have 4x squared minus 4x minus 8y plus 3 equals to what? 0. Remember when we learn circle, right? And we are given the general form of the circle to find the center and the radius. What do? We completed what? The square, Abi? We did complete the square method to find the center and what? The radius. The same concept will be used there to solve for the vertex and the focus. Are you following? So what we do is, in this case here, we have only s is what is squared, Abi? You know we say in the parabola, only one unknown must be what? Squared. Are you following? So looking at this already what? A parabola. So what we do is to move minus 8y and plus 3 to the other what? Other side. Are you there? Or let's divide 2 first by 4. Are you there? Let's make what? Coefficient of this s squared to be what? 1, right? So we say divide through my what? My what? By 4. And that will give us what? Let's go. 4x squared over what? 4 minus 4x over 4 minus 8y over what? 4 plus 3 over 4 equals 0 over what? 4. Are you following? Can this go with this? We have x squared minus x minus what? 2y, thank you. Plus what? 3 over 4 equals to what? 0. Now our aim, the next step is that we move this and this to the other side because I want to complete what? The square with these two values. Are you following? If y is squared, it means I will work with both x and what and y, right? But because we only square x, it means I'll move this and this to the other side. Can we do that together? Let's rearrange. Therefore, this becomes what? x squared minus x equals to what? 2y minus 3 over what? 4. Are you there? The first thing is we have to put it in standard form. Because if it's not in standard form, I can't get the vertex. Is it making sense? Okay. So let's go. Let's complete what? The square, Abi? Completing what? Completing the what? The square. And that will give us what? How do we do that? You can't tell me. We add what? The square of coefficient of what? Of s, Abi? We add the square of half what? Coefficient of this s. We add it to both sides. Are you there? If I have 2x, who can tell me the coefficient of x here? 2, Abi? Is 2. If I have x, is what? 1. If I have minus s, is what? Minus 1. That means that coefficient of x here is what? Minus 1. And what do we have? Let's go. We have s squared minus s, Abi, plus in brackets, minus 1 over 2, all what? Squared. Is it not? Equals to what? 2y, plus minus what? 3 over 4, minus, or plus rather, right? We are adding, plus what? Minus 1 over what? 2, all squared. So what we have here becomes what? Can we convert it to binomial? What sign is here? Here becomes what? S minus what? Half, all what? All squared. Is equal to what? 2y minus 3 over 4 plus what? 1 over 4. Are you aware? Okay, let's go. Yeah, we're going to have f minus half all squared equals what? What's the same here? 4. 4 into 1 is what? 4 times 2y, 8y. 4 into 4 is what? 1 times minus 3. 4 into 4 is what? Times this plus 1. And this will give us what? X minus half, all is power what? 2 equals to what? 8y, right? Minus what? 2 over what? Over what? 4. Now what? Can we divide this to 8y over 4 is what? 2, right? So we have s minus 1 over 2 all squared equals what? Divide hy by 4, we have what? 2y, minus what? 1 over what? 2. Now listen, we are not done yet, don't be aware. Because our aim is to convert to the standard form. And standard form says what? S minus h, abi, all squared equals what? 4p y minus what? K. Are you aware? Already we have already achieved here. For this, what's our h here? Half, abi? Now let's convert this now to be in this form. What do you think will be the common factor here? Now, I will bring out what? 4p out. Then when you bring out 4p, don't forget that in the standard form, coefficient of y must be what? 1. Is it making sense? So if it is 1, here becomes what? Let's go. Watch what will happen now. Here becomes s minus what? Half. All raised power 2 equals 2 is common. Bring it out. In brackets, what do you have here? Y. Y minus what? 1 over what? 4. Thank you. Why is 1 over 4? If I should expand this, I will have 2y. If I should expand this, I will have what? Minus half. Therefore, recall, okay, that's the first one, right? Therefore, the standard equation of the parabola of what? Parabola becomes what? S minus what? Half. All squared equals 2 in bracket. Y minus what? 1 over 4. So we have to find what again? What's the next? The vertex. For the vertex, we say find the vertex, which is h comma what? K. Are you following? What do you think is the standard form of this parabola? Recall, that is what? S plus h shall be all squared. Is it not? Equals what? 4p y minus what? K. Standard form is this, right? From here, can we compare it with this? What's our h here? 1 over 2. Hope you are aware. Let me bring it out where. Here we have minus h equals to what? Minus what? 1 over 2. That means therefore h is what? 1 over 2. What about k here? Minus k equals to what? 1 over 4. Therefore k is what? 1 over 4. Okay, sorry. Thank you. Let me bring out my p at once, Abi. What will be your p value? You can tell me. Half, thank you. When you compare 4p with what? 2. What's the p? Half, right? So that means from here, 4p equals to 2. Therefore, p is what? 2 over what? 4 equals 1 over what? 2. Alright, guys, so let's see. Therefore, let me come here. Please continue with this. Therefore, our vertex, which is what? H comma what? K, is equal to what? What's our H value? Give me the value. What's our H value? 1 over 2, right? Comma 1 over what? 4. Correct. Now, looking at this equation, where is the parabola enclosing? Where is it enclosing? Y-axis. Positive what? Y-axis. Why? Because we have plus. Right there? S is being squared here, right? So equals what? Plus 2. That means it's enclosing the positive Y-axis. Is it making sense? Okay. Please write. Can I clear this page? The first page. Huh? Let me just finish the manual. Oh yeah, look at this. We have to find what next. What the next thing we are looking for? Is that the focus or what? The focus, right? What I say is the formula I give for focus. H comma what? K plus what? P. Are you aware? Why is it K plus P? Because the parabola is enclosing the positive what? Y. That means I'm going to add what to K? Key to K. Remember that? Is it your notes? Why is it plus P? You can tell me. You can tell me from the crowd, yeah? Enclosing the positive what? Y. So we are adding P to what? To K as this. So that means that our focus here will now be what? What's that H from that graph? What's that H? 1 over 2, comma. What's that K? 1 over 4 plus what? What's that P? 1 over what? 2. Now let's solve this somewhere, right? 1 over 4 plus what? 1 over 2. What's the SCM here? 4. Here will be what? 1 plus what? 4 into 2 Abi. What's the answer here? 3 over 4. So what will be the focus? Is 1 over 2, comma what? 3 over 4. Is it making sense? Okay. So the next is what? Equation of what? Equation of directrix. Of what? Directrix. What I say is the equation of directrix is enclosing what as is y. So that means y should be what? Equals to what? K minus what? P. Thank you. So that will be what? Y equals what? What's that K again? Let's go. 1 over 4 minus P. What's that P? 1 over 2. So from this, SCM is still 4, right? 4 into 4 is what? 1. We have 1 minus. Is it not? Minus what? 2. What's the answer? Minus what? 1 over 2. So that means our directrix is y equals minus. Oh, sorry. Minus 1 over what? 4, right? Minus 1 over what? 4. Sorry. So when you subtract this with this, we have minus 1 over 4. Alright? So this is our equation of directrix. Till we are done with this.